we went to a pulmonologist, and then he consulted with a oncologist, and that's when they decided that there actually no really treatment for it. I am on chemotherapy, but I mean, it's not operable. I mean, that's not an option, and radiation is not an option with this particular type. So there's really only one thing that they can do, and that's just to try to keep it in tow with the chemotherapy. Well, right now I'm taking it every 3 weeks, and they do it in sessions of 8. Like, I'll go 3 weeks, and then I get, like, I'll call it a week off, and then I do 3 more weeks, and then I do another one, you know. And I do this 8 times, and that's a session. And what you do is, when you go in, they have to do your blood work before each treatment, because if your blood platelets are low, then they can't do the chemotherapy treatment. And I've had, in fact, they called me last week when I went in for a blood test, and they said that my blood platelets were low. So I don't know how this is going to be for my treatment tomorrow. But anyway, it's done. I don't know if you're familiar how they do it, but you have an intravenous, you know, and you sit there in a chair for about 7 to 8 hours, and this stuff drips into you, and it basically burns your insides out, you know, and makes you sick. You throw up, and you're ill all the time, you know, and you have all kinds of different symptoms, you know. Different times you have different things. Like, you might have one time you have, like, sores in your mouth, for example, you know, and you get over them, and then it's something else. But it's a real hard thing to do.